Hello folks, welcome to Canal Channel Jose. Today we're gonna show you if RTV, Silicone RTV works to fix a motor mount. And we're gonna put, this is what the motor mount used to be, and this piece was the middle piece in here. As you can see, came off completely. So we're gonna see if we can put it back like so, like it used to be. There's a cut, and there's a cut right there, and then the same thing on this side. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it, and we're gonna glue it with crazy glue, and we're gonna fill it up all the way around with RTV silicone. So we're gonna see if the RTV can help or fix a motor mount that is broken like this. And to begin with, we're gonna clean it, and we're gonna be using acetone to clean it, because acetone will leave the rubber and it will melt the top layer, so it'll leave it cleaner than what it is just by washing it. As you can see, this one looks kind of yellowish, and we already cleaned this side, and that looks really dark because the acetone took all the contaminants out. So we're gonna clean it, and then we'll fill it in with the RTV silicone. Okay folks, so now that we have cleaned our both pieces, the one in the middle all the way around, so it gets to be clean as much as we can. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be fitting this piece that goes in the middle, and then we're gonna be fitting it in the middle like it's supposed to go, like so. And then for that we're gonna be gluing it with crazy glue so it stays in place while we drop the silicone into it. So it's supposed to stay like that. So we're gonna glue it that way. When we, like I said, once we start throwing the RTV in there, it stays in place so it doesn't move around like this. So let's throw that glue in it and slide it in. So what I'm gonna be using is a super glue made by Gorilla, and we're gonna get it onto this guy, and then we're gonna slide it right into the motor mount frame, and then we're gonna adjust it and then let it dry, and then we'll start fitting the RTV on the sides. So now we just let it dry, folks, so it dries right on the shape that we want it, so it doesn't move around while we are trying to fit the silicone into it. So right now we got it sit just like it would be new, but glue with crazy glue, with the Gorilla glue, right into it. So that's just to hold it so the silicone fits around. Once that's glued together, the silicone is gonna be the one making the body and keeping it in shape. So right now we just let it dry. We're gonna fill it in with RTV silicone rubber, and it's clear, so we're gonna see if this motor mount can be fixed for a short period of time or permanent with this RTV rubber. now what we do, we gotta smooth it out. So what I do, I put some Vaseline on the finger or some saliva, and then rub it slowly to shape it, so it's not bumpy like that. It's smooth, more like this side. Now we just gotta let it dry, and we'll try it on, put it on the engine and see how this reacts. So there it is. We'll see if it works. Okay folks, so we have repaired this motor mount, and we show you the process of it with RTV clear silicone. So what we're going to be doing is this takes a torque from the engine. So we're going to take the new one that we put in, and we're going to put this guy in that we have repaired or fixed, and we're going to see if he can take the torque and all the pressure from the engine, and if it doesn't go bad. So we'll see how good this RTV silicone reacts on a motor mount. So we're gonna put it in, we're gonna take that one out, the new one, put this guy that was the original one, put it in, and we're gonna see how it reacts. And for that, we're gonna show you how the engine bounces first, and then with this one, and see how much the engine bounces around when we turn on and off the engine. So now we just tested it, how much the engine bounces back and forth, and we're gonna be replacing it with this motor mount that we fixed with the RTV, and we're gonna be taking that one out, and we're gonna be testing it, how much it bounces with this one installed. So we have taken out the new motor mount that we have put just a few weeks ago. So now we have put in the old one that used to be in the car, we fixed it with RTV silicone, and we're gonna see if that can hold. So with that, we're gonna turn on the engine and see how much it bounces, and in a month we'll check if it holds or it doesn't hold, and if they can be fixed with RTV silicone. So let's turn on the engine and turn it off, turn it on, and see how much it bounces. And well folks, we have replaced the brand new motor mount, or this is actually for the torque. It takes the torque from the engine bouncing back and forth. So we took this motor mount off, and we put the old one filled in with the RTV silicone, and we're gonna see if that holds. And we saw that actually, for my point of view, it bounces less with that silicone. So this brand new one was a little too soft. So we're gonna see in a month how that motor mount is holding with the RTV. And hopefully this video was useful. We're going to show you in another video how that motor mount comes out. We're going to see if the RTV silicone works to fix or repair broken motor mounts. And with that said, folks, hopefully this video was useful, and we'll see you soon with more videos here en el canal El Charo Jose.